You are going to love the 2017 BMW i3. BMW i stands for innovation. With its visionary design, the BMW i3 design defines the automobile of tomorrow. Its innovative BMW eDrive powertrain was designed in the scope of the BMW Efficient Dynamics technology and is not only locally emission-free, but also offers an incomparable and near-silent driving experience. The intelligent BMW connected drive services bring you easily and conveniently. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.